So in the yesterday class, we have seen some basics, okay, of SAP EWM, okay, in the warehouse side, okay. So we'll continue that, okay. Then in the system, we are going to configure the things, okay. What is company code, plant. So yesterday, these are the terminologies we have discussed. Put away means we are going to put away the material into the bin, okay. Stock removal means it's picking basically to fulfill the customer order, we are going to pick the material from the bin. Warehouse request, warehouse task, warehouse order also we have seen. WPT to create the warehouse task, the warehouse process type is a mandatory. Activity array is a logical grouping of bins. Okay, that is also we have seen. So what are the warehouse operations we can find? Okay, only main operations are three operations: inbound operations, outbound operations, midbound operations. What is inbound? Inbound means we are going to receive the material into the warehouse. Outbound means we are sending the material from warehouse to customer or cost center or to the project. Midbound means the products are moving internally within the warehouse, okay, from bin to bin or one location to another location, work center to final storage type or work center to staging area. So within the warehouse, if the product is going to move, that will be called as a midbound. So what type of the midbounds are there? Replenishment is there. Okay, that is one type of midbound. Physical inventory, bin to bin movement, slotting, rearrangement. So these are the examples of midbound. So in the simple inbound process, so the PO will be created first from the export side, then inbound delivery with reference to PO will be created. It will be distributed to EWM. We are going to unload, goods receipt, put away. So these are the three activities we are going to do: unloading, goods receipt, put away. Okay, so how many types we are going to receive the material into the warehouse? From the external vendors, once we raise a PO, he is going to send to us. The second one from the production facility, we have on our own production facility. We give the raw material to them. They will process and they will make the final product. That final product again we are going to receive. So receive means this is inbound. So receipt from manufacturing facility and goods receipt from, please be on mute. Okay, goods received from other plants and store location. Assume we have another plants and store locations also. If I am going to receive from there, so that is called as STOs. Okay, and goods received from the customer return. Even the customer also returning something to us. Okay, so that is also we are going to receive. So customer returns also we are receiving in the warehouse. And a simple outbound, create the sales order first, then outbound delivery created. Against that outbound delivery, picking, packing, and post goods issue. Picking, packing, and PGA. These are the activities we are going to do in the outbound side. So how many types we are going to goods issue in the warehouse? So we are going to goods issue to customer with reference to sales order, the same customer with reference to project, and sometimes we are going to send to the cost center also, and vendor return. Okay, vendor return means vendor send something to us due to poor quality. I'm going to send back the same material to him. So I'm going to pick. That is also goods issue to vendor. And goods issue to production facility. Basically, raw material I'm going to give it to him right from the warehouse. So that is also one type of goods issue. Midbound, as I said, ad hoc movements, replenishment, physical inventory, rearrangement, and slotting. Okay. So these are the things. Now, today I'm going to configure that company code, plant, store locations. Okay. So as we had discussed, okay, it is disconnected. Yeah. So we are going to create the company HP group of company HPGC, Hewlett Packard, and there are two company codes. It's HPOG, HPPL. Okay, and these are the three plants and store location. So I'm going to configure this. Okay. Org structure. So first of all, SPRO. Okay. So this is the command prompt. Okay. So here you have to input SPRO. So to do any customizations, configurations, you have to enter SPRO. So what is the full form of SPRO? SAP reference. Sorry, SAP project reference object. Project reference object. Okay. So you have to enter like SPRO and enter. So the moment enter, it will take you to the next screen. The next screen looks like this. Okay. So here, simply you have to click on the SAP reference IMG. SAP reference IMG. So what is the full form of IMG? This is implementation guide. Implementation guide. So you have to click on SAP reference IMG. So once you click on SAP reference IMG, so you will get all these notes. Okay. So you can able to see enterprise structure, financial accounting, controlling, enterprise controlling, sales and distribution, materials management. So whatever the modules we have discussed, right? So that all modules you can able to see over here: sales and distribution, materials management, logistic execution. Ours is SCM, extended warehouse management. This is the one. Then transportation management, quality management, production, project systems, time management, payroll. Okay, like this, all the modules, which is going to run on the uh, which is going to run your business operations. Okay, so now here in this, to define the company, you have to go to enterprise structure. Please be unmute. Do. Okay, so go to enterprise structure. In the enterprise structure, we have definition, assignment, consistency check. So we are going to define. Okay, so go to definition. I repeat once again. So this is the first screen. Once you enter into the SAP screen, you have to enter SPRO, enter, click on reference IMG, then go to enterprise structure. In the enterprise structure, go to definition, financial accounting. The first one is define company. Click on new entry. So what is my company code? I'm going to give Hewlett Packard group of company. Okay. Okay. Or else I'll do one thing. Instead of Hewlett Packard, Hinduja premium group of company, like that I'll take. Okay. Hinduja premium group of companies. Okay. So street I'm going to give as SR Nagar. Anything you can take, no problem. Okay. Or else I'll take the main head office as a Bangalore. So I'll take echo space, post box number, this one, postal code, this one, city is Bangalore. Okay. Country is India, IN. Okay. If you don't know the code of that particular country, you can drop down. In the drop down also you can see. Okay. You can select. Okay. So IN, India. Then language. So we have multiple language also. Okay. The Arabic, AR, these many languages this SAP is going to run. Okay. Dutch, Polish, Hungarian, Hindi, French, English, Greek, German, like that. Okay. So I'm going to take English. What is the currency? INR. This is the currency. Okay. Enter. Save it. So once you are going to save, it is going to give one prompt like this. Prompt for customizing request. Means whatever the changes you are doing the configuration, you are going to capture in a TR, so that this TR can be moved from development to quality server, quality to production. Okay. So this all information it is going to capture in a TR. Now I want to create my own TR. So click on create request. So description is Hinduja Premium TR, like this I'll put. Okay. Click on save. So now system created one TR number S4HK901417. So in this TR with the short description is Hinduja Premium. I'm going to save this company. Okay. HPGC. So what is my company code? Company HPGC. So first of all, define company. So path I'm not going to write. Already explain you SPRO. So after this class, you listen to the video and write down like this for your convenience. I'm going to send this notepad to SPRO IMG, then enterprise structure. In that definition, okay, in the definition, define company. So this is the path. Okay. So what is the company I have defined? HPGC, Hinduja Premium Group of Companies. Second one. After defining the company, we need to define the company code. Define company code. So I'm saying, like, we have two company codes. One is for oil and gas, other one is for digital appliances like laptops, cameras, and other home line appliances also. Okay. So assume, like, that all comes under one company code. So HPOG, HPPL. So these are the two things we have to define: HPOG and HPPL. Okay. So how to configure now? So once I save this, come back here in the financial accounting, in the definition financial accounting, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Edit, copy, delete, check company code is there. Okay. Click here. Here, copy, delete, check company code. Just tell you, I'll click on edit company code. Click on new entries. Okay. So what is the company code? HPGC. Okay. This is the one I'm going to create. Hinduja Premium HPOG, not GC, I think. HPOG, yeah. HPOG. Hinduja Premium Oil and Gas. So this oil and gas also in Karnataka, in Bangalore, okay. City, I'm going to put Bangalore. City, country is INR, sorry, country is IN, India, and currency is INR. And the language is English, EN, okay. After that, you have a address button over here, okay. So just click on address button. So I'm going to give HPOG, Hinduja Premium Oil and Gas. Oil and Gas. HPOG, the search item. So street, I'm going to give echo space, postal code, city is Bangalore, country is India, and region means your state. So we are going to have the region codes here. So I'm going to take Karnataka as 10. Okay. And the language is English. Okay. Click on copy and save it. So again, it is going to prompt if any change is required. No, I'll say yes. So it is prompting Hinduja Premium TR. So this in this only we are going to save it, right? So just save it. So whatever the configurations we are doing, it is saving in this particular TR. Okay, Hinduja Premium TR. So HPOG created. One more company code is there. What is that? HPPL, Hinduja Premium Private Limited. Okay. So to create one more, here we have a button called Next Entry. Click here, HPPL, Hinduja Premium Private Limited. So this is for digital appliances. Okay. Assume this is also in the Bangalore. Okay. India, currency INR, language is English. And click on address button. I think somebody already created. Just I'm checking. Did anybody change, created with HPPL? Let me check. Oh, this is the one we already created, right? Yeah, somebody already created with HPPL. So I'll do one thing. I'll create with a different name. So if somebody already created, we cannot create the same name. So HP digital appliance, HPDA. Okay, like this I'll create. HP digital appliances. City is Bangalore. Country is India. Currency is INR. Language is English. Okay. So somebody already created HPPL. So that's the reason I'm creating as HPDA. Okay. This is a company code. In real times, nobody will create. Okay. So just you are going to create. Okay. And this is like, please remember company code is created by the FSCO consultant, not by us. Okay. For our testing, to execute all scenarios, we require this organized structure. So that's the reason we are creating company HPDA. So I'll take as echo space. Okay. India region 10. Okay. English, that's fine. Enter. Save it. So second company code also created. Now I am going to copy these two particular company codes. Okay. From standard one. Okay. Copy from standard. Now why we need to copy? Because whatever the general ledgers, GL accounts, okay, whatever the controlling assignment, whatever the number ranges, whatever the backend things which is assigned to this company code, all will be copied to our company code. So why we need to copy? Okay, that's fine. But why we need to copy? Because if we copy as per our requirement, we can change. Okay. So most of the things, standard things we are going to use. So to create it will take more time, lot of time. So that's the reason we will copy as per the requirements, we will change. Okay. So now how to copy? So here click on copy, delete, check company code. Here we have a copy organization object from company code. From which company code you are going to copy? So 0001, this is the standard company code. So I'm going to take 0001. Even you can take 1000 also. Here we have 1000. So I'll take 0001. So I'm going to, please be on mute, Ashish. Okay. So I'm going to copy from 0001 to my company code HP. What is the company code? HPOG. So did already exist company code HPOG for the two object? Do you want to complete the object? I'll say yes. Do you want to copy the GL account company code? I'll say yes. Control. Do you want to copy the assignment of the controlling area? I'll say yes. Okay. So do you want to transport number in this? I want to create my own transport number in this. So I'll say no. So except this transport number and this, for everything I'll say yes. Now system is copying. If you see here, you can see the buffer. The tables, all tables it is copying from 0001 to HPOG. Okay. So I'm going to save in this TR. Do you really want to transfer number in this? I'll say no. Company code 0001 completed to HPOG with some error. That's fine. So if you click on completed activities from 0001, copy to HPOG. So I'm going to copy to other one also. So what is other one? From 0001 to company code called HPDA. So the standard company code is 1000 actually. Here 0001 I'm copying. That's fine, no problem. Okay. From 0001 also, you also copy like this HPDA. Okay. So you have to create your own company. You have to create your company code for the practice. Please don't use this HPDA. Okay. You create your own. So that is the way you can learn the things. Okay. So click on yes, yes. I'll say yes. Transport number is no. Okay. So now check here. So from 0001, we copied HPOG, HPDA. Okay. So this copying also completed. So after this, so here first we company is there, two company codes are there. Okay. HPDA. This is the company code. Now under company code, we are going to have plants. Okay. HPHP, HPBP, HPP, and three plants. Okay, I'm not focusing on oil and gas. I'm focusing on HPDA company code. So in that, three plants will be there. Okay, Hyderabad plant, Bangalore plant, and Pune plant. Okay, so I'm going to create the plants now. The third one is define plants. So what are the plants? HP, 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 comma, HPBP, and HPPN. These are the three plants. So just come back, cancel this. So in the definition, in the enterprise structure, in the definition, financial accounting part is completed. Close this. Now go to logistics general. Logistics general, define, copy, delete, check, plant. Okay, click here. We have three nodes, define plant, copy, delete, check, plant. Click on define plant. Click on new entries. So the first plant is HPHP. This is the plant name I'm going to create. Already somebody created HPHP. So I'll create HTHP, HTHP, HDBP, HDPN. Like this, I'll create. Okay, HDHP. Okay, so this is like Hinduja Digital Hyderabad plant. Okay. So country code, city code, I'm not going to give. Factory calendar, I'm going to take it as Indian factory calendar. Okay. So I'm going to take as IN. And here also I have a address button. For the plant, in the Hyderabad also I have a address, right, for the plant. So I'm going to take this. So let me take anything here. I'll take company. So this is HD, HP. Okay. Hinduja Digital HYD plant. HDHP. Okay. So this is Hyderabad, since Hyderabad, SR Nagar. The postal code, I'm going to take this one, that's fine. This is Hyderabad city. Country is India and the region is Telangana. So TG, I think. Yeah, TG. Okay. English. Click on yes and save it. So again, it is asking any changes are required. No, I'll say yes. Save it. So HTHP is created. HDHP. HTHP is the Hyderabad plant. Then I'm going to create the Bangalore plant, HDBP. Click on next entry, HDBP. So this is Hinduja Digital Bangalore plant. HDBP. So the factory calendar is IN. Go to the address. HDBP. Hinduja Digital Bangalore plant. Okay. Bangalore plant. HDBP. So this is I'm going to take as a eco space. City is a Bangalore city. Country and the region is Bangalore is 10. English are already there. Just click copy, save it. Any changes? No changes required. Say yes. It is also got saved. So data already saved. The next plant, HDPN. This is for Pune. Okay. So Hinduja Digital Pune plant. Pune plant. HDPN. Enter. Click on the address button. So here no coding, only we are feeding the data. We are taking the requirements from the client. How many plants are there? How many companies are? How many company codes are there? How many store locations? This is everything. We are inputting the data and saving, and we are going to map. Okay, so this is very simple thing. Functional consultant. But the thing is, you have to understand the logic, what he wants, how to configure, how to assign. The logic you should understand. There is no coding at all in functional side. In technical side, yes, coding is there. Functional side only like in a data entry. Okay. Companies, then HDPN. Pune plant. So Pune, I'll take Magarpatta. I'll take something like this. City is Pune. Country is India. And the region is Maharashtra. Okay. So the Maharashtra code is 13. Okay. Language English. Say yes. Save it. So any changes? No changes. So this is also saved. Now come back. If you see, so these are the 3 plans. Okay. HDHP. So these are the 3 plants we have created: HDBP, HDHP, HDPN. HDBP is a Bangalore plant, HP is a Hyderabad plant, HDPN is a Pune plant. Save it. Okay, so we have defined the plant. Now we need to copy, delete, check plant. Why we have to copy? Because whatever the store locations which are assigned to this plant, so that all will be copied. Not only store location, other things related to company, it will be copied. So I want to copy. Click on copy button. So it is asking from which plant you want to copy. So I'll go with 1000 or 1010. Okay, 1010, 1000 like that I have. Okay, so I will go with 1000. I'll copy from the 1000 plant. To which plant? To which plant I'm going to copy? HDBP. So I have 3 plants. I'm going to copy. Yes. Transfer number and yes, no. So I'm going to save in a TR. Transport number and yes, no. So plant 1000 completed to HDBP with errors. That's fine. So completed activities. The same way from 1000 copy to another plant HDHP. So 3 plants we need to copy. Transfer number and yes, no. The remaining all I'm going to click as yes. So 2 are copied. Go to the third one. HPPN. So these 3 plants are copied from 1000. So here after defining here, copy from standard plant that is from 1000. Okay. Next. So after defining the plants, we need to define the store locations. Define storage locations. So here come back. Now to define the store location, go to another node called materials management. Here maintain storage locations. So what is the plant? HDBP. So already have these store locations. So we haven't defined the store location. Then how did I get the store location? Because I have copied from 1000. Okay. So because of that, I got the store locations. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select the store location, delete first because I don't require. So what are the store locations? I have decided these 4: ROD, AFS, CYNS, PRD. These are the 4 only. So I will select this. I'll click on delete. Number of deleted entries. I'll say yes and save it. So after deleting, you have to save it first. Okay. So now all are deleted. Now click on new entries. So what we have decided ROD, EAFS, UNS, PRD. Okay. ROD. Okay. Our description is receive on dock. This is one store location. Then AFS available for sale. Then CYNS consumables. Then PRD production. That's it. Save this. Okay, so this is saved. The same way, now come back and create in other plant. HPBP is complete. Next, HP. So select the line item, delete first, save it, then click on new entries. So AFS, ROD, then CYNS, PRD. Available for sale, receive on dock, consumables, production. Enter, save it. So second one is completed. Now go for the third one. HDPN. Click on new entries. Same ROD, AFS, CYNS, PRD. Receive on dock, available for sale, consumables, productions. Save it. Okay. So what are the store locations we have assigned? AFS, ROD, created ROD, CYNS, and PRD. Now I'm going to stop the class here. Okay. So like this, please assume one company codes under to it, and just assume 3 plants and store location. Till here you practice in the system. Okay, please don't do any changes into HPGC this in our structure, because we are going to use this whole thing for the till last class. Okay, these are the company codes, plants, everything. Please don't delete, don't edit anything of this one. You create your own organized structure. Please pay first installment 20,000 today. I'm going to send the GPay and phone pay number to you, and even I'm going to share the account details also. Please send the money, send the screenshot, get the server access details, ID and password. Please start practice. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to explain about the warehousing related thing, sales organization related things, and this is only definition. Okay, we are in definition. Assignments also there. So we haven't assigned the company with company code. So separately we have defined the company. We have defined the company code. But where is the link? The link, and the plans which we created should be under the company code. So that link and store location link and purchase organization link. These all things tomorrow I'm going to explain. We are in the definition. So after definition, assignments will come. Any questions, doubts? Always storage location are same for every plant, or we get it from client. Storage location, it's not always same. Okay. So AFS ROD, like for understanding are taken. If they are saying my storage location is 2001 means you have to create 2000. Okay, they'll give the description in the workshops. Okay, in the workshops, whenever you are asking how many plants are there, store locations are there, they are going to reveal the information to you with the description. So that store location you are going to configure. Okay, so here for understanding, I'm going with AFS means available for sale, ROD means receive on dock, like that. Okay. Okay, thank you guys. Tomorrow we'll meet at the same time.